welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Sherry. Recently had the pleasure to visit the Disneyland Resort in California. Well, if you're a regular here, you know I'm a Walt Disney World girl. Disneyland is my home park. I grew up in California. It's the park that I grew up going to. I was an annual pass holder for many years. So I recently had the opportunity to go back for a visit. I was there for a week. While I was there, I ate at Goofy's Kitchen, which is the character dining at the Disneyland Resort. So breakfast is served at Goofy's Kitchen between 7 a.m. and noon. We had a 7 a.m. reservation. We were the first people there, and we did the online check-in, which was very easy, a very seamless process, and our table was called like immediately. So as soon as our table was called, they ushered us to a photo opportunity. There was a PhotoPass photographer there. Generally, this is where Goofy would meet you, but I think just because of COVID, maybe it was too early, I'm not really sure. We took many photos and even got this adorable magic shot. And even if you don't have PhotoPass, which you currently get with the Genie Plus service, you still will receive these photos. So they do still scan, and they told us that we would still get them even if we didn't have Genie Plus, which we did that day. The breakfast selection here was huge. There was something for everyone, every taste and palate. The options, it felt like, were limitless. I could not even try all of it. It was definitely one of the larger breakfast buffets that I've been to. On the same trip, we also visited the Storytellers Cafe, which is the character breakfast over at Disney's Grand Californian Resort. And I will have a review of that, will be my next video. And they were very different options. Honestly, if I had to choose, I would probably choose Goofy's Kitchen just because of the variety of the food options. During our visit, characters were not stopping at your table to meet you, take your pictures, sign autographs. The characters paraded around the restaurant, dancing. It was a lot of fun. They were definitely high energy. They got everybody to twirl their napkins. The downside was that we didn't really get character photos with them because they moved so fast. We were there for about an hour. And the characters came around 3 times. I think it's probably every 15 minutes that they come around, so there's ample opportunity to see them and wave. But during our visit, we couldn't get close to the park. So hopefully the regular character dining returns soon. So that's my review slash overview of the Goofy's Kitchen breakfast buffet, character dining at the Disneyland Resort in California. If you have eaten at Goofy's Kitchen, tell me down below. I'd be anxious to see what dinner was like. We really enjoyed breakfast and I highly recommend it. We got in and out very quickly and we're still able to get to the parks before the park even opened, which was great. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'd love for you to subscribe if you have not already. I have a lot more Disneyland videos coming soon, and then I have a whole new series on Disney World coming up next, so I'd love for you to join us. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!